Hello everyone, how you guys doing today? It's your girl Annie Sweet Home Trees, guys. In today's video, I'll be making porridge yam. This is our yam. As you can see, it's so fresh, guys. Today is yam. So guys, our ingredients, this is all our ingredients we'll be using. We'll be using our Ugwu leaf, pepper mix, of course, dried fish, guys. This is another dried fish. So we'll be using onion and crayfish. Guys, I bet you it's going to taste delicious and you're going to like it, okay? So come with me and let's get started. Let's get started. We are making porridge today. Bring your plate, okay? Thank you so much. Let's get started. See, it was so easy and it comes out so nice. It's so yummy. The aroma was given, Thank you so much to all my subscribers, my new subscribers. I say thank you and God bless you. Please, guys, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. If you are a new subscribers, you're welcome. My old subscriber, of course, you guys are welcome. This looks so delicious. Come with your plate. Bye.